Are you trying to install WordPress in your Laravel public folder, but running into issues? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common problem and get your WordPress site up and running smoothly. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you follow a guide and things just don't work out. Many users have faced similar challenges when trying to integrate WordPress with Laravel. Let's look at the specific situation. One user mentioned that they installed WordPress in a folder named blog within their Laravel public directory. While accessing it through localhost 8000/blog works fine, they encounter a 404 error when trying to access other links. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So, what could be causing this issue? The problem often lies in the way Laravel handles routing and requests. When you try to access a link that isn't explicitly defined in Laravel's routes, it defaults to a 404 error. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help you avoid these issues in the future. To resolve the issue of Laravel redirecting to a 404 page when accessing links outside of the WordPress blog, the user needs to modify the Laravel routing configuration. Next, the user should ensure that the .htaccess file in the public folder is set up correctly to allow WordPress to handle its own routing. Now the user needs to check the WordPress configuration to ensure it recognizes the correct site URL. This is crucial for proper link generation. Finally, the user should test the setup by accessing various links within the WordPress blog and ensuring that Laravel does not interfere with these requests. Fun fact, did you know that WordPress powers over 40% of all websites on the internet? It's a powerful tool, and with the right setup, it can work seamlessly with Laravel. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to installing WordPress in your Laravel public folder involves a few simple steps. First, download WordPress from wordpress.org. Then, rename the downloaded folder to something like blog. Next, place this blog folder into the public directory of your Laravel application. After that, update the wp-config.php file with your WordPress database credentials and ensure your Laravel database credentials are in the .env file. You will also need to modify the .htaccess file in Laravel to handle requests correctly. Finally, you can access your WordPress blog at localhost/laravel/public/blog. Here's the tip I promised. Always back up your .htaccess file before making changes. This way, you can easily revert if something goes wrong. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your WordPress site should now work perfectly within your Laravel application. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.